Hey girls, y'all gonna beat them boys today?
Yeah.
Yep.
That's Caleb.
They're gonna roost them?
We would have got 2 times.
0 on, yeah, on 15 random.
Good luck, Evan. Good luck, buddy. Good luck, Mr. Mark.
45, 56 is the next one, that's right.
Kelly, good luck.
115 is B8.
Alyssa, have fun, buddy. Keep it on 2 wheels, girl. No slide outs.
30.
Good luck, Logan. She was sliding.
Coming in under stellar surgeons with all
Put him back.
Uh-oh.